What's good to the YouTube family? Ladies and gentlemen, we got to talk about this Alpo situation. There's been a lot going on with Alpo, but one I see people are not speaking on is the news of the guy who killed Alpo. He got his court case coming up very soon in April. Just around the corner, ladies and gentlemen. And we know the situation with Alpo. Many people don't like him because of the Rich Porter situation, and I don't get into all that. I look at it as two street dudes in the game. You know what comes with the game. I don't care who is disloyal to each other. I don't know Alpo, I don't know Rich, but I'm gonna always look at Alpo as a grinder, someone who actually got it out here. But nevertheless, let's get on with it. So the trial is about to start for the man accused of killing Alpo Martinez, and 2.5 years after the murder of the former Lewiston resident Alpo, the suspect Shaquem Porter, 30 years old, who is being held in Otis Batum Correctional Center in East Ellenworth, New York, was arrested in February 2022 and charged with the murder of the legendary drug kingpin, that is. And after that, a lot of people had commotions to say about it. Was it really the NYPD who killed Alpo? Did they stage the shooting? But let's just carry on. Now, Alpo Martinez, alleged notorious crack dealer who had lived in Lewiston under a federal witness protection program, was gunned down in Harlem on Halloween in 2021. Now, what was disturbing about it was the way it happened. People was like, it was a planned hit nonetheless, but people still kept bringing the fact that it was get back for the Rich Porter situation. I don't want to be the guy to say that, because when you're in beef, it's easier for other people to infiltrate that beef and cause the commotion and act like it was the other party you already was in the drama with. But let's continue. Now, police charged Parker, already in jail for a different charge more than 3 months later. They said he shot Alpo Martinez basically because he was upset at the reckless way Martinez has been riding motorcycles in his neighborhood, which we know that's cap. Martinez, 55, spent almost a quarter century in federal prison, that is, after acknowledging his role in at least 14 murders. Jesus Christ. After his release, he went to the witness protection program that ultimately saw him living for more than 5 years in a College Street apartment in Lewiston under the name Abraham Rodriguez. Now, Martinez opted to leave Lewiston to return to New York about a month before he was shot to death while driving his truck outside a Harlem nightclub on Halloween, that is. Talk about braggadocious. Alpo wasn't afraid of nobody. Now, through speculation swirled that the slain was connected to Martinez's criminal past, investigators ultimately charged Parker and offered a more mundane explanation for the murder. Parker's case is slated to be heard by a judge named Mauricio Martinez Alonso in the criminal court of the new city of New York, that is. He is being represented by a legal aid attorney who could not be reached, since it's not unusual for cases to be scheduled in New York to be postponed for a variety of reasons. We know that's BS, but anyways, Parker may wind up waiting basically longer at a chance for freedom. He has pleaded not guilty, which also, I mean, I know all these guys plead not guilty, but it leads you to believe, was Alpo really killed by one of his oppositions, or was this a string checkmate move by the so-called NYPD? I don't know, man. You guys tell me in the comment section. I'm your guy, DJ Bless One, the best one. Love your family, love your kids, and definitely stay blessed. Peace.
Drunk them. Zoe hit her with T-Sweat. And now her panties all wet. Came back around, spin the black with sock out fat. DJ Bless One.